Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to win against the Queen's Gambit. You will learn the foundational principles to confidently face this classic chess opening. Many players find this opening intimidating, but with the right approach, Black can achieve an excellent position. We will cover key strategies that give Black a solid foundation and even an advantage. This guide is designed to simplify the complex ideas, making it accessible for everyone. Once the Queen's Gambit is offered, you face a crucial decision: to accept or decline the pawn. Accepting with dxc4 usually involves a fight to maintain the extra material, often leading to sharp, tactical games. Declining, on the other hand, frequently transitions into more positional battles, where central control and pawn structure are paramount. Both options offer viable paths to a strong game. Your choice will depend on your playing style and comfort. Consider the long-term implications of each move carefully. Regardless of whether you accept or decline the gambit, certain strategic principles remain essential for success. Focus on developing your pieces quickly and efficiently, bringing your knights and bishops into active play. Controlling the center of the board is paramount. Aim to place your pawns and pieces on important central squares. A strong pawn structure provides stability and support for your pieces, so carefully consider all pawn moves. These core ideas will guide you toward a winning position. To truly master playing against the Queen's Gambit, consistent practice is your best tool. Play regularly and against a diverse range of opponents to test your strategies. After each game, take the time to analyze your moves, identifying both strong play and areas for improvement. Reading books or watching videos on opening theory can also significantly enhance your knowledge. With dedication, you will find yourself confidently navigating this opening and securing more victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.